Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify this trig identity. In this problem, we notice that the right-hand side is a lot more complicated than the left-hand side, so we'll start with the right-hand side. We can see that in the numerator of the right-hand side, we can pull out a sine x. So let's go ahead and let's do that. So we'll factor out a sine x, and we're left with 1 minus sine squared x, all divided by cosine x. We know that tangent x is sine x over cosine x, and that's great because we have a tangent on the left. And then let's also notice that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine squared x is cosine squared x. Let's put both of these in. We get sine x over cosine x is tangent x. And then 1 minus sine squared x is cosine squared x. And we can see that our left-hand side matches up now with our right-hand side.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.